This lesson deals with supplemental problem 314. You can find this problem in the course ebook in the Chapter 3 Supplemental Problems on page 18. Given this non-inverting amplifier, could you develop a model for it? In our Chapter 8 notes on page 6, we analyzed this circuit and found that V2 was equal to 1 plus R2 over R1 times V1, and that the current I1 was equal to 0. Now, a model has the same equations, but a different circuit in the yellow box. Current being 0 means an open circuit. I'm going to model this terminal where V1 is with an open circuit. The output voltage is a constant of 1 plus R2 over R1 times V1. I'll model that as a voltage-controlled voltage source. If I apply the voltage V1 here, no current's going to flow, just like the circuit above. If I were to put a resistive load here, R sub L, as shown above, the current that would flow in here would be equal to V2 divided by R sub L, which is this expression for V2 divided by R sub L. The same thing would be true here. Since these two circuits, this one and this one, have the same equations, they're considered to be equivalent. But what's inside this yellow box is not the same as what's inside this yellow box. In other words, this node right over here doesn't exist in this box. And this is supplemental problem 314.